alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you people are doing great. As you know, we are in the journey of entrepreneurship. So today we are going to start the developing an effective business model or a plan, which is the chapter number 6, if you see from the book. So as you know, we are studying entrepreneurship, where we learn not only how to create the new business ideas, but also how to convert them into the successful venture. In the last chapter, we studied industry, we studied the competitors analysis, we studied how to examine the trends, how to evaluate the competitors, and how to understand the market forces that will shape an industry. Today we are starting chapter number 6, which is the developing an effective business plan. So this chapter is very practical. It explains why any business plan is important, who will read it, and what they look for and how to write it. A well prepared business plan is like the road map. It shows you where your business is going and how it will get there and why others should believe in it. Before starting this chapter, I want to show you the story of Slide Rocket. So the Slide Rocket is a company which created software for professional online presentations. And the founders of the Slide Rocket had a strong idea. But what helped them attract investment and partnerships was their business plan. So their plan clearly explained the problem they were going to solve, the market opportunity, and their unique solution, their strategy for growth. Because the business plan was convincing, investors trusted them and the company grew very quickly. A key lesson which you got from this story is a business plan is not just a paperwork. It's a communication. It's a communication tool, that convince the other to about the potential of your business. For example, many successful startups like Baikia, like Daraz, they have attracted funding from the investors by presenting strong business plans. Without a clear plan, no investors would risk their money. Why any business plan is too much important? We are going to study this particular topic for the sake of this clarification is business plan is actually the written document which describes what your business will do, how it will operate, and how it will make the money. And why it is important? Business plan, if we see the importance of business plan, why it is important? The basic point about its importance is that business plan will guide the entrepreneur. It as I already studied, it works like a road map. It keeps the entrepreneur focused and disciplined. So the next important point for studying the business plan is that business plan will attract the investors. Investors want to see a clear plan before giving the money. Business plan is important because it communicates the vision. It helps the employees, it helps the partners, as well as the stakeholders, It helps all them to understand their goals. It is important because it identifies the risk. It identifies the solutions. Writing a business plan forces an entrepreneur to think about the problems and then prepare the solution in advance as well. For example, when Kareem entered the Pakistan, their business plan showed not only the idea of ride hailing, but they also show how it would solve the local transport problems. So this clarity of solution helped them to expand very quickly. And if we see the reflection from this particular example is that, or the particular picture is that, business without a plan is like a cricket team without a strategy. You may play, but winning becomes unlikely. If we see that, if we think that who reads that business plan, what are they looking for? So answer for that particular question is that different people read business plans and each group looks for different things. The first one who can read your business plan, the employees. Employees will read the business plan to understand the company's vision and direction. It will motivate them by showing how their work contributes to the bigger goal. It also builds trust. When employees see a clear plan, they feel the company is serious. If I see the Pakistani example, startups in Lahore often share parts of their plan with their small teams so that employees can know the growth targets and the product roadmap as well. So the next who read our business plan is the investors and the other stakeholders. After the employees, we have investors and other stakeholders. So in investors and other stakeholders, it includes venture, venture capitalists, the banks, the government agencies, and even potential partners. Investors want to know, is the idea unique? Is the market big enough? Can the team will deliver? What returns will they get? So all these queries will be answered by reading their business plan. We have another example of Bazaar Technologies, a B2B marketplace for small shopkeepers which raised millions in fundings because their plan convinced investors of the huge market potential in Pakistan's retail sector. And the reflection we got from this is that when writing a plan, always think, if I were an investor, would I trust this idea? And if I give you the guidelines for writing a business plan, I can also share you that we are having some guidelines to ensure that plan is effective or not. So in guidelines, firstly we have the structure of a plan. What is the structure mean? Structure should be logical and easy to follow. And in structure, we may cover all the aspects like problem, like solution, like market strategy, like financials. And structure should not be too long or too short. Just it should be enough to give a clear picture of the business, of the idea. And if I give you the tip for this, most investors prefer the plans between 20 to 30 pages maximum. So startups applying for, if I give you the example from Pakistani perspective, startups applying for the Plan 9 incubator in Lahore must submit the structured business plans. Otherwise, they are not considered. So the next in the format is we have the content of the business plan after the structure of the business. In content, we mean the content must be honest, it must be realistic, it must be complete. It should include the market research, and in market research, it must have the competitors analysis, it must have the marketing strategy, it must have the financial projections. Avoid exaggeration. Investors can easily spot unrealistic claims. For example, if we reflect from this is that a business plan is not about impressing the people with the big words. It's about showing a believable path to the success. The third we have the style or format of business plan. The style must be professional, it must be simple. Avoid the spelling errors, avoid the jargons, avoid the unnecessary decoration. Use the charts, use the visuals to explain the numbers, write in a way that even a layman can understand the main idea. I have a I just click in my mind the example of Karachi startup who once presented a business plan with the very colorful slides but no clear numbers. Investors rejected it, and it proves that clarity is more important than the decoration. So reflection I got from this is that the way you present your plan, it shows how serious and professional you are as an entrepreneur. You know? And if I summarize my today's lecture, as I started with the story of Slide Rocket. Slide Rocket showed us that strong business plans attract the investors. A business plan is important because it guides the entrepreneur. It communicates the vision. It attracts the investors and it prepares for the risk. Different readers, employees and investors look for different things in plan. Next we studied the guidelines for writing a plan. It includes the clear structure, it must include the complete content, and it must include the professional style. So in our next upcoming lecture, we will go deeper into the outline of the business plan. We will study each section step by step. The executive summary, the industry analysis, the company description, the marketing plan, the operations, the management and financials. We will also learn how to present this particular business plan to the investors as well. Thank you.